Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how I installed my aerial in my Audi A3. So this is how it looks like afterwards, after finished. Quite neat, I believe, for a do-it-yourself job. So this is what I bought from Amazon. It was about 25 quid. It's a dub aerial, but it comes with a normal antenna as well. Looked quite solid, so I went for it and I didn't regret it. Okay, so first of all I made a mark there on the car where I'm gonna drill a hole. As you can see, there's the hole there. And then afterwards I used this tool bit, to make the hole bigger. That's about 18 millimeters, I think. So there's the cables running out. Then I used sandpaper to sand the paint around the hole. And then, as you can see there, run the cables again through the ring and through the hole there. Okay, I just needed to seal it now, and we just used normal grease. I just had to remove the excess grease later on to make it look clean. Had to tighten it up, tighten the knot up from inside, as you can see. And then the negative cable just goes to the chassis of the car, anywhere really. Now all the cables just run underneath there on the side. It wasn't a big job, I just had to pull it out. So here is the positive cable. It's a red cable, so it's easy just to plug it straight to the red cable coming out from the stereo. So make sure you don't plug it into any other cables or the yellow cable. Yellow cable sometimes is used as well, but that's basically always on, always live. But the red one, it only comes on when the ignition is on. So that goes back to the stereo there. I was quite lucky because I just fed that cable through and then crimped it inside, so I didn't have to cut any wires. And then basically those cables, I'll just show you that they go on the left side there, all the way down to the glove compartment and back to there. Okay, so there's only 3 cables that I had to worry about. It was the live, that's sorted. So we've got the aerial and the dub cables. These, as you can see, shown in the picture. Aerial on the left and the dub is on the right, and that's about it from the stereo. Just quick look here through the radio channels. As you can see, there's a lot of channels, all with good quality, not lagging or freezing at all. Really happy with this installation. Just going to quickly skip through these channels so you can see that there are a lot. Fast response too. Obviously some of them are local to me, so you will get your own channels wherever you are in the world. Here another last look at how the job looks like when it's done. Quite neat, I think. So thank you very much for watching. Good luck with your project, and please subscribe, and see you soon. Bye.